Well, I got some new full gloves for riding on the bike, and I got these. Can't remember what the actual brand, which Oxford is on these, but can't remember what was on the little piece of card that came with them. Really good. That means I can still use my phone while on the bike, and with the gloves on. The painted bit there is right across the three knuckles that notice the cold the most. It goes all the way down. These are Lycra, so even the large would fit. These are the XLs. The large would fit my hands quite okay, but I got big hands and short stubby fingers, so these work. And the palms have got sort of a non-slip rubbery stuff on, which is really handy. And then the wrist comes right down into the wrist like that, so it cuts off that little inch or so of breeze that would get into the into my arm. And they deal with the wind quite well. I haven't found my hands getting cold or uncomfortable. Normally, if I don't have anything on my hands, I notice it on those three knuckles. They get quite painful. The other thing is, because they're so thin and they're Lycra, that while they still block most of the wind, if it gets really, really, really cold, and I still need to add another layer over my knuckles, I can put the fingerless ones made by the same crowd on top of these to add another layer and keep the wind chill factor down on my fingers. So yeah, bloody good gloves these. When I edit this, I'll put the text of the crowd who make them along the bottom.